So I'll be showing you how to change the SIM card pin on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Simply go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll to security and privacy, tap on that, and then scroll down and tap on more security and privacy. And then on that page, if you scroll, you should see SIM lock. Tap on that. And then as you can see, I have two SIM cards inside this phone. I have this Airtel SIM card and Safaricom SIM card. So what you want to do is select the SIM card whose pin you want to change. So I'll choose this Airtel, and first of all, the SIM card pin has to be enabled. If it's not enabled, you have to enable it first, and you have to know your current SIM pin to be able to change it. If you can't remember it, then you might have to call your provider or find your SIM card and put in the PUK to unlock the SIM pin. But since I know mine, I'll just tap on SIM pin. I'll enter my current SIM pin. Current also means old, so the one you've been using. And then tap OK. And then now it asks for new SIM pin, as you can see. So I'll enter my new SIM pin, this very complicated pin, and tap OK. It's going to ask for me to retype the new pin. So I'll retype it and tap OK. And that's it. You can see SIM pin changed successfully. So from now on, I'll be using the new SIM card pin. Thanks for watching and good luck.